A sharp disagreement on the Supreme Court is drawing national attention tonight after Justice Clarence Thomas issued a forceful dissent, arguing that the court's latest Birthright Citizenship ruling fundamentally changes the meaning of the 14th Amendment. According to Thomas, the majority has gone far beyond what lawmakers intended when the amendment was adopted after the Civil War. He warned that the decision recognizes constitutional protections that, in his view, the Reconstruction Congress never envisioned, and that cannot be supported by the text itself. The justice wrote that the court is once again reshaping constitutional language to protect what he described as preferred rights. This time, he argued, that includes granting citizenship to children born in the United States to foreign-based tourists and immigrants who are in the country illegally. Thomas did not hold back in expressing his concerns about the long-term impact of the ruling. In one of the strongest passages of his dissent, he questioned whether the decision would stand the test of time, saying the citizenship clause once elevated the dignity and value of American citizenship, but that today's interpretation diminishes it. The case centers on one of the most debated constitutional questions in modern America: who automatically becomes a citizen at birth under the 14th Amendment. For more than a century, courts have generally interpreted the amendment to provide citizenship to nearly everyone born on American soil, with only a few narrow exceptions. Supporters of that interpretation argue that the constitutional language is clear and that changing it will require either a new Supreme Court precedent or a constitutional amendment. Critics, however, contend that the original intent of the amendment has been misunderstood and that it was never designed to apply in every circumstance seen today. Justice Thomas has long advocated for a closer examination of original constitutional meaning, and his latest dissent fits squarely within that approach. His remarks are likely to fuel an already intense national debate over immigration policy, citizenship, and the limits of judicial interpretation. The issue also carries major political implications. Questions surrounding border security, immigration enforcement, and birthright citizenship have remained central topics in national politics, including during President Donald Trump's administration, when efforts were made to challenge existing interpretations through executive action and legal arguments. For now, the Supreme Court's ruling remains in effect, but Thomas's dissent ensures that the constitutional debate is far from over. Legal scholars, lawmakers, and advocacy groups on both sides are expected to continue pushing their arguments in courts, legislatures, and the public arena. Stay with Morning America for the latest updates on this story. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.